Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And Microsoft paid to get a study on Windows 11 speed or performance compared to Windows 10. And of course, when a company pays for its own products to be tested, it's always something that you have to be careful in the options and the results. So they paid a company that actually did its own testing and finds that Windows 11 is way faster than Windows 10 in most of the cases. And here they say up to 68.9% higher rating. They found that some of the tasks were up to 200% faster. Kind of hard to believe when you look at other tests that have been done, including several tech websites like Neowin that have done tests themselves. Although they did say that, others found that Windows 11 was a little faster. Not to the point of what this is actually giving out in numbers. But there is one good positive note, and it's that a lot of benchmarks like PCMark, which tested Windows 11 24H2, and some users that are on 24H2 right now have noted that 24H2 seems to have a performance improvement compared to other versions of Windows 11. So it would seem overall that maybe Microsoft has tweaked Windows 11 24H2 for some performance boost, and that is good news for sure. For the rest, we see all sorts of numbers, and we see, of course, all sorts of users and comments even here when we talk about speed that aren't always saying that they find that it's faster. Some find that it's slower. I find that it's at least equal. Can I say honestly that Windows 11 is faster for me? I don't use, the benchmark software to test those things on PCs. I would have to have, two PCs that are exactly the same, and then with the same type of install, and then use the software. I don't have that. So for me, the performance of of Windows is relying really solely on the fact that I use it and my gut feel of how it performs when I use it. So my feel is, well, it's pretty much the same thing. I can't say that I've seen a faster operating system, but one thing for sure is that it's not slower and it doesn't feel slower. So at least that. But, there's a lot of users out there that have tested 24H2 saying, well, it's generally faster than previous Windows 11 versions. So that might actually be a good thing if you're planning to upgrade. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.